Introduction. Join us at the Funnel Art Gallery. Your unique perspective on your metaphor journey is encouraged. Please leave a comment. Part 1. The overarching theme. The journey of life's only purpose, to raise the quality of our consciousness. Part 2. Art title. A Burning Crackling Sound, by Erik Røde, 1755. Part 3. Entwining Metaphors and Themes. Art piece. 725CMF-9272H. First. Metaphor. A soft and faraway sound of burning wood. In a very faint soft sound of the wood branches internally exploiting. It feels there is control and containment. Second. Theme. The singular mission of existence, enhance our consciousness. Third. Interpretation of the metaphor. The metaphor describes the gentle and distant sound of wood burning, with a focus on the faint crackling of wood branches as they burn from within. The feeling of control and containment suggests a harmonious and deliberate process. Fourth. Interpretation of the theme. The theme, the singular mission of existence, enhance our consciousness, revolves around the idea that the ultimate purpose of life is to improve and expand our awareness, thoughts, and understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Fifth. Examples. 1. Meditative awareness. Just as the faint sound of burning wood invites us to listen closely, mindfulness practices encourage us to be fully present and aware of our thoughts and surroundings. 2. Self-reflection. Similar to the controlled burning, self-reflection allows us to introspect and explore our inner thoughts and emotions, leading to personal growth and a deeper consciousness. 3. Cultivating calm. The metaphor's calm and contained feeling aligns with techniques like meditation that promote tranquility and emotional balance, enhancing our consciousness's quality. 4. Learning and curiosity. Like the internal exploitation of the wood, pursuing knowledge and embracing curiosity lead to a continuous process of growth and intellectual expansion. Finally, summary. Art piece 725CMF-9272H employs the metaphor of a soft and distant sound of burning wood, emphasizing the faint crackling of branches and the sense of control and containment. This metaphor corresponds with the theme, the singular mission of existence, enhance our consciousness, highlighting practices such as mindfulness, self-reflection, cultivating calm, and embracing learning to improve the depth and quality of our consciousness. Part 4. We're curious about your insights. Pause the clip, focus on the art piece, extract your metaphor, and share your perspective with us. Part 5. Join us in creating beauty. Please donate at PayPal or Patreon and reference the art piece ID above. Part 6. Travel safely and looking forward to our next gathering. Carry along the symphony of spiritual enlightenment.